buddy?
Okay, Finley, do you think it's a girl or a boy?
Maybe they're only a boy.
Okay, and what letter does girl start with?
T and boy starts with a B.
Okay, and are you going to look at the first word or the second word?
The second word.
Okay, let's read it. Can you open it up?
Uh-huh. Mama, I understand.
Is that your sword?
Yeah, I understand this.
Okay. Jason, help. Now open up and see if there's a picture in there.
Hi.
There's a bunch of pictures.
Hi.
Mama, home.
Okay, look at the pictures, buddy.
Honey, you have to read the picture. Look at the bottom of the picture and see if it says.
Tongue sheet. Tongue sheet.
Take.
Girl.
You think it's a girl?
Think it's a girl?
Nope. That's not what it says.
What does it say?
No, girl. No, girl.
Can I help him?
Finley, what does it say?
Yes, balloons.
What does it say?
Balloons. Well, I already read it.
What does it say?
Let me help you.
It says naughty dude.
Well, that. Uh-oh. What does it say right there? What word is that?
Boy.
Boy!
One more boy.
Brother.
Another brother.
Another boy.
Another boy.
Another boy.
What do you think about that?
Hey,
Does that make you happy or sad?
happy.
Happy. Well, there we go.
Hey, what? Hey, there's two fish. There's a baby.
Boy, 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 boy.